We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you the common causes of a paper jam, and I'm working with an HP Laserjet Pro M501. So pretty simple, just a few tips and tricks that you can do to help eliminate some paper jams. You want to make sure that this is in the correct position for the size of paper that you're using, and also this side as well. And then you have these max level indicators. You want to make sure not to fill over these. If you do, it'll be hard for the printer to pick up the paper and feed it through your printer. Another tip I like is you never just want to take the paper and just stick it in there. A lot of times it's not even. So you take your old paper and your new paper and combine it together outside of the tray. And then what I like to do with us living here in Oklahoma, especially in the summertime or springtime, there's a lot of condensation and humidity in the air, so I like to fan it out. That way the pages don't stick together. So fan it out, and then you want to align it all at the same time, and then stick it in your tray. If you guys are seeing lots of paper jams, it's probably time to put your printer in for a service. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.